How to create account in KKday. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create your account here on KKday. As you can see right now, we've just logged in on opened up our KKday right here. So once we open up right here, all we need to do is click on my account on the bottom right corner right there. So now as you see right now, it's a little bit lagging. But once you're here, click on login and sign up. There you go. After pressing on login sign up, you'll be located right here at the login / sign up right here. Then you'll so here's as you see right now, if you choose the email right here, you will have to have your own password. But if you choose your Google, whatever your Google password is, that will be your password. But you won't be able to change your password if you use Google. And if you continue with email, you will be able to change your password. So yeah, that's those are both the downside and what. So yeah, there you go. But see you guys later. Because I'll be continuing with my Google. So yeah, see you in a few seconds, guys. Now guys, right now I've just choose my account and choose my account, my email, but it's a little bit lagging. But yeah, as you see right now, I've used my Google account. I've logged in with my Google account, so it will be easy to log in. We have ourselves our KKday account right here. So there you go, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you sign up in KKday. You don't need to put in anything else because we continue it with the Google. So yeah, there you guys. Hope you guys see the video. Please enjoy it. If you have any questions or concerns, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here. How to rock it, guys. So there you guys. And thank you, guys.